Morning children, Sai Ram. How are you? I hope you all are good. Welcome back once again. Now children, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Reports, part 1. In this chapter children, we will cover the following topics. The topics are, first of all, we will discuss the topic report. After that, understanding the report sections. In this section, it is divided into 5 parts: report header, page header, then detail, page footer, then report footer. After that, lastly, we will discuss the topic creating report using report wizard. Okay, children? Now, children, a report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. It is the end product of your database. Okay? Children, report consists of information that is taken from tables or queries and present in a way that user wants. Children, the text can be formatted in an Access report, as it can be done in Word document. Children, reports are generally prepared for presenting data in hard copy by using printers. Okay, children? Children, remember one thing: report is an effective way to organize or summarize data for viewing or printing. Now, children, report also provide the facility to group or sort the items and thus making it much more readable. Okay? A report can be created exactly in the same way as we have created a form. Just like form. In the last chapter we have studied about the forms. Report is just like a form. We can create like this. The only change is that after selecting create tab, create on report button, okay, in the report group. Access create a report and places all the fields of the selected table in a report. Okay, children? Now, children, come to the understanding the report sections. Children, in Access, report is made up of the following sections. The first section is report header. In report header, this section contains the information that generally appears on the cover page, such as logo, a title or a date. Okay, this is the report header portion. It appears at the top of each page in a report. Okay, this is the report header. Next is page header. Page header contains the information that is displayed at the top of the report. Okay, at the top of the report. Next is detail section. This is where you place the control that make up the main body of the report. It displays the records and appear between the page header and page footer. Okay. Okay, children. Now, children, the third one is page footer. This section is printed at the end of each page. Page footer is used to print page numbers or total number of pages. Okay, total number of pages. The last section is report footer. Report footer prints report totals or other information for the entire report. It appears on the last page of the report. It displays the summary of the entire report. This is the report footer. It will display the summary of the entire report. Okay, children? Now, children, look at the screen. This is the screen of report section. This is the screen of report section. The first section is report header. This is the report header. Next is page header. This is the page header. Which field you have taken? Address, class, last name, size. And then the middle portion is detail. You have to insert the detail here. of your database. Next is page footer. This is the page footer section. And lastly, report footer. Okay. Children, it is also available in your book, on computer book, on page number 63. You can see from there. Okay. Now children, look at the screen. Next topic is creating report using report wizard. We are creating the report using report wizard. Children, look at the screen. This is the screen selecting report wizard options. These options will come. Select the table from the navigation pane as the source of the report. The report wizard walks you through the steps of creating a report. The first step is click on the create button. Create tab here and then select the report wizard. This is the report wizard button, and in the report group the report wizard window appears. Okay children, look at the screen children. This is the screen. Second step, click the tables or queries. Here this is the screen. Select the field for the report. Drop down arrow, select the table that you want to display the report. Here next step, this is the fields. Then next button. Then step number 3, click the double arrow. This is the double arrow button to move all the field to the selected field. This is the selected portion. This is the fields. All the fields, move all the fields to the selected fields area, or click the simple arrow. If you are clicking the simple arrow, then step by step one field will transfer to the selected area. If you are clicking on the double arrow, all the field will move to the selected area. Then click on the next button. Step 4, the report wizard display the next screen asking you to add any grouping level in the report. Click on the next. This is the next. Now children, this is the ascending or descending option. If you want to arrange your field, any field in ascending or descending order, you can click here, write down field name here. Okay. Now children, step number 5, on the next. Then after that next button, step number 5, on the next screen, select the field using you want to sort the record. Okay, this is the sorting. Then next button. Then you will find the automatically sort order. To get the active, select the sorting order by clicking the box and click the next button. Step number 6, choose the layout. This is the layout children. Select the layout for the report from the displayed option in layout action. Here columnar, tabular, any. Layout section, select the orientation or portrait or landscape. Any layout you have to select it and then click on the next button. Okay children. Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen. Orientation or portrait, either portrait or landscape as per your need. Click on the next button. 7th step, report wizard prompt you select the style for your report. Here we have selected the flow option from the displayed list of style. Click on the next. This is the style children. For whatever style you want to take, you can take it and then click on the next button. After that children, step 8, now report wizard prompt you to assign the suitable name title for your report. Type the title for your report and click on finish button. Here you write down the title of your report, and then lastly click on the finish button. Children, this is the screen, this is the preview of your report. This report will appear. Access display the preview of your report. Lastly, the report's 9th step, the report name will be displayed in the navigation pane. Here, report in a print preview. Okay, clear children? Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.